they just come in all the time, and when you're so bothered and bothered and bothered, you're like, I guess I need them sharpened right now, so go ahead and take them.
Persistent, huh?
Yeah, very, very persistent.
Did he do it inside your salon, or?
Nope, he takes them out to his van, and then he brings them back, and he wants to show me how they're sharpened on the next strip.
He sharpened these, and I have to resharpen them.
Yep.
So you're giving me extra work to do today. And I've been working at this for a while with an 80 micron, which is about the next to the coarsest thing I've got, and I'm still not at the edge.
Wow.
He must, and I'm doing them at a 40-degree angle. So I mean, he really did them blunt, and there's a lot of metal gone. I'm hoping I don't have to do any kind of really major repair on it. We had to bend them when you first came in because the tips didn't come together.
Yeah.
Can you see the difference on how those two edges are shaped? This is the one I've done, and this one, you see that flat? It just looks flat.
It looks like a pair of craft scissors. Oh my gosh, I see it. Like this one is smooth. Like there's no change from like the main blade to like the edge.
Yeah.
And then this one has like an angle on it.
Like craft scissors, like you said.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. I'm going to continue to sharpen Tiffany's other shears and not bore you with the whole video of it, but yeah, I think you'll be a lot happier when you leave. So.